Welcome to Nana's Kitchen Delicacy. Today I am sharing how to make Tamarind Date Chutney, also known as Imli Khajoor Chutney. It is a sweet and tangy Indian condiment prepared with tamarind, dates, jaggery, and a few spices. This easy tamarind date chutney is a must-have with chaat recipes like Pani Puri, Bhel Puri, and as a dip with snacks like samosa, kachori, and pakoras. For more interesting videos, do like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Let's watch how to prepare it. Thank you for watching this video.
For more interesting recipes, subscribe to our channel.